Knowing how to make products with 3D printing is one thing, but knowing how to make money from the products is another. If you are an expert in using the 3D tech, and you are not making money out of it, then you are sitting on a gold mine. You can make money easily with this tech, by following a number of strategies that can get you prospect customers. Getting your products into the market may make the difference between you, the pro 3D technology enthusiast, and a prosperous 3D printing business entrepreneur. Here are a few ways in which you can land a market for your products and start making money. Once you are confident about your 3D printing skills, you can start by defining your brand. Keep in mind that the way you present your brand is going to determine its success. It is important to take time and think about what you want your brand to become, and how you would want people to relate with it. It is also important to have a definite audience in mind and strategize on how you are going to reach out to them. Only you can convince them why they need to try your product out. You can take photos of your products and present them to your target audience. A good photo taken on a white background or in the product's natural setting commands attention and attraction eventually. Make sure the camera is very stable and use good lighting to make every feature of the product clearly visible. There are multiple sites online where you can present your product and have customers coming your way in no time. Online marketing strategy works wonders when it comes to selling your products. You do not have to acquire a shop, just post pictures of your product and price and you are good to start making money. Open a social media account for your products, where you can post pictures of the products that you have on sale. You can also use this platform to keep in close communication with your customers and the people who appreciate your work. Keeping your potential and existing customers updated on what you are up to come in handy in retaining them and winning new ones. Succeeding in marketing 3D products is not a cakewalk, especially with the wide range of innovative inventions all over the marketplace. If something does not seem promising, do not exhaust your efforts pushing it through. Try out and advance what seems to be yielding fruits. More importantly, concentrate on giving your customers quality that is above and beyond what others are offering, especially from traditional designers, who have a strong stand in the market. Making money